Well, some of you have asked me how to make a Google slide presentation. So I made this section on your Canvas page with frequent asked questions. And one of those is how do I make a Google slide presentation? So right there, I'm going to publish how to make it. So first thing you're gonna do, this is the simple way. Just open a new tab, click on those little dots, go to your drive. As you get to your drive, you're gonna click right here on this side where it says new. Click new. That's still loading, 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 loading. Alright, so you're gonna click new. Right here it says Google Slides. You click Google Slides and voila, right there. Here you can add the title to your presentation. You can change the theme to whatever you want. You can pick a different theme than just a plain white thing there. But you can do different ones. And to start your slide, this will be the first one, and then to add a new slide, you just click new slide and new slide, and then you can get as many as you want. What else? I think that's it for this. This is how to make a Google slide. All right.